Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So I think that these five waves up right here is a wave A, and I think this is likely an A, B, C of wave B. And eventually, I do think it is probably going to make a huge push to the upside, but I think we need to worry about this move down for now because this move down is going to last probably at least a minimum of 6 months or more. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I got a nice little push down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave A. I definitely am looking at this as three waves up, wave B. It did make a higher high, but that does happen quite often. Just irregular wave Bs. And I think that we are very likely now in a wave or in a downtrend for the wave C. We're probably in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the only problem I'm having, I was originally looking at this week and thinking, man, that wave two is likely over. It's likely just to start a new downtrend for wave three. But the more I look at this, the more I think that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that this is actually a wave A, and this is actually a wave B, and it's likely to go up for a wave C, which would probably be a bigger retracement to this move down before it really continues the downtrend. Definitely could be a very likely possibility. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I personally would be looking for shorts right now. Now, while we're looking for shorts, if it just keeps on going down and down and down and down, then that's great news for us because we should be looking for shorts. While we're looking for shorts, if it does an A and then makes a B and then you go short and it makes a C, bounces off a fib level and then makes an impulsive up break of structure, that's what will tell you that it's a wave B and that this is a wave A and that it's going up for a wave C, like I showed on the daily time frame. So, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I think this move down is a wave A or possibly wave one. We always got to look at both sides of the coin. I think we are likely going to drift up, probably at least take out these highs, or at least make an equal high. I think this is an ABC correction. I would be paying very close attention to these two Fibonacci levels for a Fibonacci bounce, for a break of structure, for possibly the end of either a wave B or a wave two, and then go short. And while you're short, hopefully you can learn and earn at the same time whether this is a wave 3 or whether this is a wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.